For my cycle, how did how to love again, to love again, to love again. It's Fresh Gas Friday, motherfuckers! Woo. I think this thing's turned up too much. Turned up the volume. Sorry. Sorry. Yesterday I said I would never do another Power Hour stream. We're back, baby. We can't stop. We won't stop. That's right. All right. NASDAQ right now. What a day. The NASDAQ selling off at open, getting the 15-minute opening range break to the downside, right down there to our target. Ding, ding, ding. Locking in profit right now, putting in higher lows. Will we get the end of day squeezy McSqueezerson happen? Get a little squeezy McSqueezerson, you know? It's possible. Anything's possible here, baby. It ain't over till it's over. Lately, I've been sorry. Again, the VWAP today, very, very just flat. This is like exactly like fucking yesterday with the VWAP end of day, just absolutely flat. And well, a little uptick here, but in general, looking pretty flat. So we'll see what happens. It's 2 minutes, 2-minute chart, 2 minutes, 2-minute chart. It's Power Hour, 15-minute chart. Look at the bigger picture here, people. What do we got going on? I don't know. This looked like we already kind of got that breakout on the 15-minute chart. What do you think? Did we already break out? Now we're retesting for the push-up? Where are we going? Well, who's feeling lucky today? Who wants to put their hands in the air like you just don't care? We'll see. Takes me out of love. Ooh. Takes me out of love. Teach me out of love. All right, so the 15-minute chart, we kind of broke out there. Kind of retested that breakout. Bulls stepping in here. Burning now to live again, to love again. Inside out feels like I'm learning to love again, to love again. Bounce off that 21 EMA up to this resistance. Got a lot of resistance there at the 170s, and then you got the 15-minute opening range up there as well. So the 15-minute opening range up there at the 186s. Market trying to do something here. Williams up $1,500. Should he stay or should he go? Ooh, $1 million question. I like to always ask myself. You should go. You should go, man. B. Grizzle finished chapter 5 of the course. Loving the breakdowns. Gonna pay you back twofold when I'm funded. Oh, that would be nice. How much is twofold? That double? You're going to pay me $400? I think we're looking for longs here. This push end of day. Who thinks we're going long? Try to retest that 15-minute opening range. Again, pushing up there through the 70s there. Ice Tim up 6,000 on the day. Let's go. I haven't been up 6,000 since this morning. Up about 30,000 on. It's so wild when you copy trade. Like copy trading, like I have like 40 accounts right now. And copy trading all those accounts. Like, I don't know. Like am I gonna get the payout? We're gonna find out. I don't fucking know sometimes. We get real close to getting the payout and then blow it up. Yeah, baby. Can we do a 50% discount on the course just for today? I mean, is that fair? Are people going to buy it if I do a 50% discount today? I don't know. I feel like it's such a good deal right now. $200, man. $200. Come on. Yes. Everyone in the chat. If I do a 50% discount, how many people will buy it? All right, doing a poll. Let me know in the poll. If we get a very staggering amount of people who are going to buy it at 50%, maybe I'll do it just for the people and the thing. Does ICT sell a course? Yes. 63%. I don't know. It's not enough, man. It's too close. It had to be like 80 and 90%. All right. Not going to do it. Mark makes a good point. Mark paid $200 for the course, and it wouldn't be fair. All right. I'm keeping it fair for the people who already paid their hard-earned $200. NASDAQ trying to push up here. Let's see if we get this push up through the 175s. NASDAQ, NASDAQ, NASDAQ. It's Power Hour, baby. Fresh Cash Power Hour. Fresh Cash Friday Power Hour. Woo! What a time to be alive. Could just do a sale during holiday, but don't reduce. Oh, well, I wasn't going to reduce the price 50% off forever. It would have been like for 5 minutes. I would have done a 50% discount for 5 minutes if it was like, you know, a lot of people trying to buy it. But I don't know if there's enough people that want to buy it to justify it. So, market trying to push through this 70 area. I like this push. We're looking good. Let's get this push up in the 80, 90s next. Need this push. High resistance liquidity run. Watch Patrick become liquidity in today's stream. Watch Kenneth Dollar go in the VIP room. He can go in the VIP room and watch ICT edge to my live stream every day. ICT's in the he's in the VIP room right now edging to this live stream. If you don't know what edging is, well, Google is your friend. Is the liquidity in the room? Is the liquidity in the room, baby? It's in the room right now. Watch out. With the market makers. It's behind me. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Does a VIP package include tickets in a bottle? Oh, yeah. Big bottles. Big bottles. We talked about this idea earlier. If we get above, you know, get above this 70, 80 area, little end of day squeeze, kind of finishing the end of day with a bang here. Possible. We got that 15-minute range. If we get through the middle of this 15-minute range, I would say the possibility of making a new high at that point has to be real fucking high. I don't know exactly how high because I don't know exact statistics. But if we push through the 15-minute opening range through the middle of that end of day, I would say there's a fucking 99% chance we make a new high at that point. Todd. How's Victoria's trading? She's good. I think she made $300 a day in her funded account. She made $3,000 in an eval, so she's doing great. I told her keep it. This is all about consistency, baby. Consistency, baby. You know, the longer that I day trade, learning, trading, whatever call it. Honestly, the more I have learned, and I've started to, you know, really just believe at the end of the day that it's just about surviving. Trading is literally about surviving. That's all it is. You know, it is 100% just about surviving and nothing more. You know, it's surviving the bad days and then surviving the good days. That's, you know, that's what it's all about. It has nothing really to do, you know, I said before, like it really has, it's not about strategy. It's not about, you know, knowing where the market's going to go and all of that shit. It is really just about surviving and then being in the right place at the right time. That's all it really comes down to, right? So you're waiting for that right opportunity that comes along, and then you take a trade. But if you aren't there for that opportunity, well, because you blew up or you lost all your money, whatever it is, you know, if you look back, like to Monday, well, Monday was the crazy day, right? Like look back at Monday. Look at this opportunity. You could have had a short, you know, 270 down there to 840. 500, 600 point move. And if you don't survive, if you're not here on Monday of next week, well, guess what? There's no chance in hell you're ever going to get an opportunity to make that money there. So you have to survive, you know, like surviving is the game. That's all trading is. It's just surviving. And then, I don't know, you got to kind of admit at some point, like, hey, I don't know anything more than anyone else does. It's just, I'm stubborn and I've stuck around long enough and figured it out, kind of. And I still get my ass handed to me every day, you know? Every day, like, market reminds you really quickly when you get a little cocky. You're like, oh, okay, sorry, I'm sorry, I apologize. Survival. People think trading's all about knowing, you know, about money and numbers and all that, but it's not. Johanan Nispor. Patrick, I bought your course. It really satisfies. How do I have one question I want to ask about? I want people who didn't buy it. Ooh, trying to save that good. I like it. Send me an email, patrick@marketflowtrader.com. I'll try to answer it, but don't send me like a million questions, people. But if you bought the course and you have like one last question you're just waiting to ask, you can email me, I guess. The big news moves always seem to retrace the original candle. I wouldn't say they always do, because that, you know, that would say 100% of the time, but a majority of the time, 70%, 80% of the time, I'd say there's a good chance. Yeah. I looked at the stats the other day. I think the market fills the gap normally like less than half the time. But it's still, you know, it's like, even though it's like half, it's still like you got an idea. I think you got to look at like different confluences, right? That's a big word, but different things. Is there a gap? You know, what is going on? It's not always just simply like, oh, the market's going to fill the gap. But if you look, you know, at this move this morning, it's like, well, We made a big move up, right? We made a big move up here. Well, we know there's a very good chance that we kind of pull back and retest some of this. So the idea of getting long this morning up here at the top, that's a real hard thing to do. So we're right there at that pivot. You know, there's stuff going on there. Very good chance, you know, even if we're bullish, that we retest the middle of these 15-minute candles if we do pull back. And then, well, we obviously have that gap from yesterday that we did not actually touch all the way. I think the ES filled the gap. ES filled the gap. NASDAQ did not. So the NASDAQ still just kind of holding on here, huh? See if we get this push here, end of day. We're in the power hour, baby. $20,200, $20,240 to the upside there. I am long. I am long. Looking for a move up here, end of day. As long as we can stay basically above this like 150 area, I think we're good. We just gotta push. NASDAQ trying to go. If we get through all this area resistance, it'll be a nice little push. Kind of to see if we can get that momentum to get all the way through there. We've been stuck there. It is power hour. I don't want to jinx it. But market's showing some signs of percolation here. Percolating there above the 70s again. From your head. Beautiful. Up there through the 70s now. See if we can get all the way through 75s there next. And then there's 80s to get through. From your head. Needs to go. We need some strength here. Get out of this range. Got the 15 minutes set up there as well. 15-minute candle breaking out there. Trying to go 80s. And then, like you can see, kind of through 80s, it's a ripper to the upside there. So we'll see. $3.20 here in the afternoon. ICT has 3 months to win the Robbins Cup. Yeah, definitely. He already admitted that he's down 90%. So if winning means going down, he has won. He has most definitely won. Patrick, I like your style, but you have no idea why you went long there. What do you mean? I have a total idea. Did you not just see my fucking the setup there? We break through this trend line. 15-minute candle breaks out as well. What the fuck you talking about? Fucking moron. Patrick, you have no idea why you're long. Yeah, I have no fucking idea. Why am I long, guys? People help me. People help me, please. I'm so dumb. How will I ever be so smart like everybody in the chat? Oh my God, what am I gonna do now? Guys, the market, it's going up. Please, don't go up anymore. Stop it. Stop it, chat. Stop. Please don't go any higher. I'm gonna go broke. I won't know what to do. I don't know what to do, chat. Please help. Chat, help. Chat, help me. Chat, will you please help? Fucking morons. The guy earlier, Patrick, you're gonna be my liquidity. Patrick, you're gonna be my liquidity. Yeah. You know what else is gonna be your liquidity? Yeah, shut the fuck up. Sometimes, man, I don't know why people even talk. You know why? Moving my stop. I kind of like want to let this thing ride a little bit end of day, just in case we do get some stupid move up end of day. Kind of thinking Friday could be fun. So we got 2 contracts. I'm just going to leave it kind of sitting down there. We already locked in profit up there at the 91s here from the 60s. So Nicholas, thanks for your course. Up $9,000 to dollars. $9,000 today. $9,000. Should I buy a new Lambo? Do you think I should buy a V12 Lambo? They keep calling me about buying this Lambo. I asked about this Lambo. I don't know. I'm trying to think what's going to make me look cooler. A V12 Lambo or a McLaren 764. 765. 765. Which one is cooler? The SVJ is too expensive. I'm poor. The McLaren is not slow. The McLaren's faster than the Lambo. The McLaren's faster than an Aventador. Are you kidding me? The 600 LT is faster than most supercars. That thing fucking rips. Does your course explain your profit levels, targets, and all that? Yes. We break it all down, baby. The best #1 course. This is a textbook breakout setup. We had the 21 EMA here. We're looking for a push-up. Had a little bit of a trap to the downside. Got the break. Bang, bang, bang. Don't get a faster car. Yeah, right. I won't die. I'm safe. Don't worry. I'm a safe boy. Can you tell a big difference between the speed between the Huracan and the 600 LT? Yes and no. It's kind of a different type of speed. The V10 just goes, right? The V10, from the moment that you press the gas pedal, it just goes. It's like it grows and it grows and it just goes as it's like just eating, right? Where the McLaren, it's kind of like a delayed because you have the twin turbos. So it's like until those turbos spool up, you don't really get the reaction. But once those turbos are spooling, holy fuck, that thing is, it's going. It's going for sure. All right, end of day, NASDAQ running, baby. We are live. Who's up? Who's green? If you're not green today, you're clearly not trading Patrick Wieland concepts. You know, I think you're probably trading something called ICT, means I can't trade. So get on the program. Learn how to trade the right way. The 15-minute chart. Check out that. Just that alone, the 15-minute range this morning, absolutely paying the bills. We had a huge move down. The 15-minute range, absolutely textbook. Got the VWAP, the pivot points. Bang, bang, bang. You know? Gage loves supercars, but loves a good Hellcat. Oh, God. A Hellcat? Are you crazy? I'm not trying to get shot in that Hellcat. No fucking Hellcats are dangerous, man. People in Miami be trying to like rob people from Hellcats. More Hellcats get stolen than anything. My neighbor's got a fucking Hellcat. I swear to God, she has a Hellcat, and that thing has been... They've tried to steal it 3 times. She has cameras on her house, obviously. And 3 times now. I swear to God, I'm not even lying. 3 times they try to steal it. Three motherfucking times now. It's crazy. NASDAQ up there to the 200s. Like I said, kind of got just waiting. What happened to the Fords? Well, I sold the F-250, and then I have the Raptor, and then I sold the Bronco. So I basically traded the Bronco and the F-250 for a brand new Hummer. And then I took the brand new Hummer, and I traded that for a Lambo. I don't know. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. I had to put some money down, obviously, on the Lambo, cash. But yeah, it was funny because, and what's even funnier is I fucking killed it. I killed it on that fucking on that deal. I gotta show you how badly I killed it on that deal, because what's funny is the fucking, for some reason, the Hummer has just absolutely got crushed lately. That fucking Hummer. Where is the fucking Hummers at? Yeah, the price of those Hummers have really come down. So I'm still long, looking for this push up. We've been long since the 60s. Winning. Yeah, like, see, like right now, these are selling for $93,000. Pretty much like brand new, 2024. And I traded mine in for $110,000. I got $110,000 cash for it. So I feel like I did pretty good on that. Perfect timing. Right when I traded mine, they were still kind of like hard to get. And now they're a lot easier. Best Hummer trader in the game, all right? Best #1 Hummer trader in the game. NASDAQ, oh, sorry, we're still going up. Where are they at? Why is it quiet? Why is the chat so quiet? How does he do it? Hey, chat, what happened, chat? What happened? Patrick, what happened? Putting a sell there at 202. I got 2 contracts left. These motherfuckers, why does anybody even doubt me? Moving my last and final contract there to the 83s. The market doing exactly what we said it would do. Making that move up there into that 15-minute range. Now we're going to see if we're going to clear this 15-minute range, opening range, right? 15-minute opening range candle. We are back into that range now. We bounced off the VWAP there earlier. We went to the moon. Getting a little overextended here. We still got about 30 minutes until the close, but anything's possible. It's Friday. Oh, Lord. I put my stop up to 83s. Now it's going to pull back, stop me out. Every time, man. Maybe not. We're good. Let's stay above this 80 now. We got Michael making $3,000 on the eval. Come on, Michael. Ain't nobody doing it like this on YouTube. Show me one other people. Who's some other people out there doing it like this? Nobody. Ain't nobody doing it like you just don't. It don't exist. Oh God! Don't get too cocky now. Don't get too relax, Patrick. Relax. Deep breaths. Deep breath, everybody. Gotta stay deep here. Oh, fuck. We got a big problem. We got a real big problem, guys. Oh, we got it. You know what the problem is? Y'all know what the problem is? Anybody know what the problem is? I bet you can figure it out. Anybody? I'm thinking, see if anyone's smart enough to figure it out. Let's see. I'm reading the chat. Anybody? Top Step TV is long right now. God damn it. Fuck. No, Top Step TV is long right now. It's going to 0. Patrick, is Victoria in love with you? Nah, she just uses me for the money, bro. You think I live in denial? Come on. I love people that, like, talk shit. Some other guy the other day on Twitter was like, Patrick, I put a photo up of Victoria and her friend, and some guy was like, are those your sisters? I'm like, yes, they are my sisters. And yes, my girlfriend is only with me because I'm rich. She's only with me because I'm rich. Nutty Bar is the best trader on YouTube. Well, I think I have to disagree with you. Is my girlfriend hot? I don't know. I think she's hot, but I don't know. Who knows? Maybe I'm, you know, maybe I just don't know. TBM is #1. Are you kidding me? That is definitely not the truth. We're still long. We're still winning. Who wants to party with me? I'm for reals making the week right there. How much money have you taken in payouts year to date? $5,000? I don't know, man. I lose count sometimes. 3,000 total payouts. I don't make any money trading. Come on. We all know that. The ES right now ripping. The ES all the way back up to, is that the open? Almost to the open right now. NASDAQ, I guess, also. Yeah, look, we're right in the middle here. This is exactly kind of playing out like we talked about earlier. If we can get through the middle of this 15-minute opening range, there is, I don't want to say 100% chance, but there's about a 99% chance that we run this high up there, or at least run up here to this pivot point. I'm just putting that out there. You know, I don't want to say 100%, but I'm definitely going to say at least 99%. I'm long from the 180s, so I can't lose. I'm going to hold till the end here. What is your beef with ICT? I don't have any beef. I just want to get paid $500,000. All right, he made a bet. He bet that he would win the Robbins Cup for $500,000, and now he owes me. That's what happens. You make a bet and you talk a lot of shit, and then you got to pay. You know, pay the man. Pay me. NASDAQ up there to the 220s, right into the middle of that 15-minute range now. We got a little less than 25 minutes here till the close. The Huddlestons definitely do not pay their rent. That just sounds like, you know, the Huddleston sounds like it. That sounds like one of those families that are like inbred and living in the woods in Middle Earth, the river folk. The Huddlestons are definitely river folk. The wetlands. What do they call that? I think it's that the Riverlands. Who watches Game of Thrones? ICT is definitely one of those inbred Riverlands guys that lives in the swamp. You know it. No, we're talking about Game of Thrones. Game of Thrones, people. Game of Thrones. We're doing it, we're doing it, we're doing it, we're doing it, doing it, do. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Patrick, will you still love Victoria when she is pregnant with a baby bump? I don't know, bro. You want to go hang out in the VIP room? Sure, I got you. I'll put you in there. No problem. Is your house directly at the beach? Yeah, the ocean's right there. I can walk out of my back porch and jump in the ocean. I might have to jump like a couple hundred, like 100 feet, but I could get in the water for sure. Why can't you hear the music? I don't know. Turn it up! Turn it up! But yeah, basically, like right over there, out that door, right over there, that's the beach. You can see the beach. That's the ocean. The blue. Kind of not. Oh, wait. The car thing is going. Which one is cooler, McLaren or Lambo? Fuck yeah! McLaren, I knew it. Good thing I got both. Good thing I got both, motherfuckers. Whee! Can't beat me. Can't come at me, boy. God, this trade absolutely just worked out beautifully. Just a little recap if you're just now tuning in why we're long right here. People earlier fucking hating, talking shit in the chat. Blah, blah, blah. The Patrick, it's going to go down. Patrick, shut up. Let the man do his job. You can see here, 15-minute chart, holding there at the VWAP, right? We get this little breakout, the trend line. It ain't fucking rocket science, people. If we are going to be selling back down, guess where this fucking candle would have went? This would have been the high, right? This would have been lower high, lower high, lower high. But guess what? Bang. We get the rip. That's our setup. That's our move. We get in long for the break to the upside. And ding, 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 ding. Patrick Wieland, the man, the myth, the legend, the $1 million man. He don't play. He come to play the game. All right? We here to win. Step it up, people. Step it up. The good thing is we've already locked in profit here from the 64s. Sold some there at the 202s. We got the 191s there. And we are just kind of cruising right now, baby. Let's see what happens here at this 200 level. If we get stopped out, not a big deal either way. But I like to let this last runner go. If we do push up above this 220 area, I'll move my stop up again. So I want to get this kind of see if we can get through this 220 area and then move stops, all right? Do I like trading power hour or early session? Early session for sure. Open is always better. Market open, there's always opportunities. Power hour can be very hit or miss. Right now, we are getting the power hour. Finally. Look at this thing. All right, back up here. I'm going to move my stop up now to that 20,200 because if we don't break out there, well, there's a good chance that we kind of pull back. But still, hey, I'll lock in my 40 points any fucking day of the week, baby. Any motherfucking day of the week, I will take 40 points. I don't care what anyone says. You guys ever wonder why everybody talks about Patrick? You ever wonder why they talk about me? Because I'm number one for a reason. They got nothing else to talk about. They're fucking losers. Patrick. Yeah, here I am. Winning. Do I use level 2? No, I do not use level 2. Level 2 is literally a waste of time, especially for a new trader. Just trade the breakouts, man. Breakouts, breakdowns, trend lines. You don't need to worry about anything else. Level 2, order flow, volume, no, don't worry about any of that shit. Just trade the moves. You know, trade the moves, people. Don't overcomplicate it, honestly. People just try to overcomplicate the shit out of trading, and that's when they think that they sound smart, right? They're like, oh, but you know, they have a million different terms and the institutional orders and the order flow and the level 2 and all of this stuff, right? They got all this shit, but they got really no fucking idea. At the end of the day, guess what? If the market wants to go higher, what does the market have to do? It's got to break the high of a previous candle. It's that simple. It is that fucking simple, people. Think about it. If the market wants to go through here, what does it have to do? It's got to break the high of this candle. It's that simple. If that happens, look, oh, momentum. Market goes up. We trade breakouts. We trade breakdowns. Look for the trends. Look for the setups. Bang, bang, bang. Don't try to overcomplicate this shit. If you want to get in right now, we got the course. It's $199. Sign up today. Right now, we're up $900 on this fucking trade. $1,000. This is a textbook Patrick Wieland setup with the 21 EMA, with the action. All right, get on it. Stop wasting your time. You got Saturday, you got Sunday. It's time. You get in now. You can watch the course. It's 6 hours. We break it down from the top to the bottom. We got it all. My setups, my indicators, all of that good stuff. You can learn the 15-minute breakout. Woo! Woo! People ask me, why do I charge $200 if I'm so rich? You know what I say? I'm not rich enough. It's the truth. I might be greedy, but I'm just not fucking rich enough, man. I only got one McLaren. I only got one Lambo. That ain't enough. I need more. I only got a 4-bedroom house rented on the beach here in Hawaii. You know, that's all I got. I need a 7-bedroom. I need the one with the jacuzzi, with the sauna, with the maid, with the chef. I need the fucking private jet. I need the bigger boat. I need everything, baby. I ain't here to fucking live. I am here to thrive. Woo! The best part is you could have bought at any point pretty much through this whole trade and you would have made money on it. Congratulations, people. Let's go. Give yourself a round of applause for picking the right YouTube channel to watch here every day live on the channel. You don't pay much. You don't pay attention. If you don't pay attention. What? What does that mean? I hope Victoria's laughing in the other room. Why would she be laughing? Why would she be... Wait. Why would she be laughing? Wait. Why would she be laughing at me? $20 need to get your attention. $80,000 in prop paid out in 3 months thanks to you. Holy motherfucking shit. This guy, put that on the leaderboard right there, boys. He's making more money than I make. God. This guy's rich. Let's go. Thanks for the money. $20. That'll get me a poke bowl for lunch. If you ever want to leave $20 tip, don't be afraid. It's free. Well, it's not free, but, you know, you got to leave. It's funny. It's free. NASDAQ just can't get through that 220 area for now. We got 5 minutes until the 350 algorithm kicks in. Pulling back here. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. I like to think about it that I probably would have taken most of the profit anyway into this push to the 200s. So if it doesn't want to keep going, it don't want to keep going. We'll take it. That's still a little under 40 points. Green is green. 5 minutes until the 350 algorithm. Will we get saved here? Need that little pop back up. Oh, come on, baby. Pop it back up. Will you Oh, she's trying, but she ain't. I don't know. Oh. Oh. Oh, God. Stop. Oh. Oh. So close. Oh, my God. We're still alive. We're still alive. I'm going to move this down a little bit. Right here. Right below 200. Or we'll go to the 21 EMA. That's where we originally took profit at. Oh, we're in again. It's Friday. Let's move it down again. We're still in the money here. I just in case this thing wants to go to the moon at the 350 algorithm, just in case. I'm not, this is for entertainment purposes, people. Don't get all freaked out. I would have taken profit already normally, if we weren't live on YouTube 100%, I would have already taken profit here on that second attempt. But since we're live, let's let it run. Let's let it go, right? It's going up. All right, it's got to go up. And by the way, we took this trade much earlier at the beginning of Power Hour. So we've been in this trade for a minute. So don't come in here and be like, oh, he's an idiot. He's going to lose. Because, well, we're already up. We're long from the 64s here. It's at 20,200. That's over 400. That's over 40 points. 440 points. Okay, relax, people. I'm rich. I'm rich, bitch. What is the 350 algorithm? Buy the course, learn everything. 199. It doesn't get any better. Patrick, how many contracts are you holding? Well, it says one. One, sir. One. Ooh, NASDAQ. Ooh, NASDAQ. Does Patrick offer signals or does he only trade live? I mean, I pretty much tell you exactly what's going to happen before it happens, but hey, what do I know, Patrick doesn't do it. I don't give signals, but I pretty much tell you, hey, if it breaks out through this level, this is where my target is. But hey, yeah. Who knows? Let's get this 220 break. Go to the fucking high, baby. I want that pivot point up there. That pivot point just wants to get touched. 247s. Get this 350 algorithm through this 15-minute opening range. It might happen. You got less than a minute here, baby. Hey, this ain't financial advice, by the way. If you're listening to some guy with fucking sunglasses on and a Hawaiian shirt, listening to fucking techno music on the internet, taking financial advice, that right there, I don't even need a disclaimer, because if we ever went to court, the judge would literally look at this video and be like, sir, you watched this guy on YouTube and then you made a financial decision. You deserve to lose your money. Like, the judge wouldn't even question it. She'd just be like, yeah, you're an idiot. The guy's got bleach blonde hair, fucking sunglasses on, a fucking Hawaiian shirt, and you listen to him? Like, they would literally, they would just laugh at you. They would laugh at you. 350 algorithm. Come on, baby. It's time, NASDAQ. Let's get this 220 break. Tradeify. How much money you want to give me? $1 million, and I'll promote Tradeify. $1 million, and I'm in. I'll put Tradeify logo on the side of my boat for $1 million. $1 million. $1 million. What prop firm am I trading on right now? Top secret, can't tell you. Ryan Mack. Turn that $250K evaluation you gave me into a PA account. Taking my first payout request today. Let's go! Let's go! Hey! What a man. What the fuck? This guy, Ryan Mack, in the house, everybody. He got a free fucking evaluation from the live stream and then ran it up into a funded account, and now he's getting a payout. Come on! I'm giving away free money here every day live on YouTube. Let's go! It's too easy. God. What is power hour? Well, if you don't know what power hour is, then you haven't lived, my friend. Do you even know what the fuck power hour is? Can you feel it? Woo! Let's get back from the gym. Sorry, I'm all pumped up. We did a little back workout, little legs, little squats, little biceps. Pumped up on the pre-workout, pumped up on life. It's Fresh Cash Friday. We're green on the day. It's the end of day power hour special. And we're living, baby. Drink your water, kids. It's good for you. All right, NASDAQ. What you gonna do? Trying to give us some room here, but she's just kind of in trouble. I'm gonna move my stop right here to the low of that candle. Just not be too silly here today. I just want to feel something, man. Come on, NASDAQ. Let me feel it. This is an EMA. This is the 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart. This is my go-to. All this stuff is broken down in the course, by the way. It's $199. That's right. That's a fucking steal. That's 8 years of experience, people. 8 years of experience. I've been doing this longer than fucking pretty much than you even knew what trading was. And just, again, I want to make it clear, I would have taken profit, you know, on this trade already. But like I said, we're live on YouTube. We're entertainment right now. But we already took that profit there at the 202s, 191s from the 64s right now. Holy fuck. I just added to that position somehow. How did I just add there? Or no. What is that from? Did I add? Oopsies. I think I just added somehow. I guess I got 2 stops there now. Oh, now we're definitely going to lose. I swear, I must have pressed it with my mouse when I was playing around here. You guys saw that live. You guys saw that live. That wasn't, I was moving my mouse around, but LOL, look at it. It's going up. See what happens here at the 355 algorithm. If we get this push, get through that 20 area. Oh, buddy. Patrick Wieland, he ain't just the best. He's the best, baby. Look at that push. We're still going. Oh, my God. Gotta love it. You gotta fucking love it. I'm going to sell one right there. We got one left. Let this last one ride, break even, or go 220 on it. 220 stop here, guys. 220 stops. 220 stops. Let's ride this bitch all the way to the 240s. Let's fucking ride it all the way to the 240s. Just like we said, look at this ripper right now, boys. It is power hour. We're doing this shit live on YouTube. If you're not getting rich with me, who the fuck are you? What are you doing? You're wasting your motherfucking time, people. Oh! I want 240s. That pivot point up there, we might not get it, but we got real close to it. Live on the YouTube. That's right. Oh, yeah, kill this order. Yes, you're right, you're right. All right, come on, baby. Give me this last push. I want to see if we get that pivot point up there. Just a little recap, by the way. We've been long. We got long here earlier, guys, at the 60s. That's almost getting close to 100 points. And also, remember the 15-minute range. What did we say? You guys remember what we said about the 15-minute range? What did we say about it? Anybody remember? The 99% chance? That 99% chance call? I don't want to claim it, but I do want to claim it. I just don't know why anyone would watch any other YouTuber out there. No, because no one's doing it like this. Absolutely nobody. Not only do I fucking just over here making money, I'm also funny as fuck. Like, I make myself laugh. You guys think that I'm just, like, laughing because I'm, like, doing cocaine, but I'm laughing because I'm literally fucking funny. I'm so funny, I make myself laugh. There's that push to the 240s. I'm looking to sell 242s, baby. Give it to me. Let's lock it in. Come on. Guys, I'm not just good. I am the best. I am the best. God damn it. God fucking damn it. God fucking damn it, boys. God motherfucking damn it. Ooh. All right, again, just a recap here. I'm not even bragging about this, but I do want to talk about it because people can learn something, learn how to fucking trade around this world, right? Check it out. Very simple fucking idea, people. This is gold right now. I'm going to give it in 2 minutes. 2-minute breakdown. This is the 2-minute fucking breakdown that you all need to listen to. So get ready. Put on your fucking thinking caps. Stop thinking about ICT putting his finger in your butthole and focus on actually learning how to trade. We get it. You're obsessed with a man who claims to be the godfather of the fucking entire stock market algorithm. We understand you're a fucking idiot. But for once in your life, let's use your little brain. Let's think about this. What is very simple idea. If the market wants to go up, if it wants to go down, what has to happen? What has to happen? One thing, one fucking thing. It's got to break the previous high or the previous low of a candle, right? If it wants to go low, it's got to break the low. If it wants to go up, it's very simple. This is not fucking rocket science. What happened here? We had the 15-minute chart. What's going on? What's happening, Patrick? Look, higher low, higher low, higher low, bullish, 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 bullish. You know, higher highs, higher highs. Yes, we had this high from earlier, but ding, 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 ding. Look at the formation. What's happening? Guess what? We're setting up for this end-of-day squeeze. End-of-day squeezy. Put your lines on the fucking chart. Make it easy on yourself. We talked about this move happening back when the market was down here at the 140s. This whole entire thing, you can go back later and watch this live stream, and I break it all down as it's actually happening. But I want to make it clear now so everybody can actually fucking learn something today. If you lost money today, it's probably because you have no fucking idea what you're doing and you don't understand how the market moves and when the market moves and where it moves. That's why we got the course. It's $199. Check it out. But again, trend lines are your friend. VWAP, pivot point, very simple indicators. You don't need to go crazy. VWAP, volume weighted average price. Why does it work? Because it's weighted with the volume. When there's not a lot of volume, the VWAP doesn't move, and that's why the VWAP is very trustworthy in the sense of like, hey, you can see VWAP stuck, not really going anywhere. Market keeps bouncing off of it. We finally get the move end of day, power hour. It happens. Pivot point as well. We had the pivot point. We had the VWAP. Everything lined up there. So now we got our 15-minute breakout. As we said, 15-minute candle making a push, right? We're pushing above the previous candle high. We did off the low here. We do it again here. And then do. As we're trending higher, as we're bullish, what are we doing? We're breaking through previous candle highs. Each of these candles breaking above the previous candle high. All right? There you go. Very simple idea. Now, 15-minute chart kind of confirms that we've broken out here. What are we going to do next? We're going to go right over here to our favorite time frame. We're going to check out the 2-minute chart. Okay, look. We're breaking out here. What do we need? We need candles breaking above previous highs to get this entry. We get long here. I got long at the 60s as we start to break up through this area, and that was our entry for the long. You could have gotten long down here off of this 46 area for that push, but as you can see, kind of getting back above this resistance there, 160, 160. We're getting above it. We're breaking out. Here's your entry for the long. Ding, 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 all the way up there to that 240 area. But why did it matter? Why did we think it was going to go? Why did I say there was a 99% chance that if we push through that high, that we we're going to push to the highs? Why did I believe that? Well, it's very simple. Take your eye. Take this look. Take this look. Take this look, right? 15-minute opening range. Check it out. It ain't rocket science. I'm not making this shit up as I go. We did this all live, by the way. We had the 15-minute range. Well, guess what? 15-minute range earlier was acting as what? Resistance here. So I said, if we break through the middle of this 15-minute range, there is a very, very, very high likelihood that we would run up there to the high, through the high from open. And guess what we did? Guess what we did? Is it witchcraft? Did I make this up in hindsight? No. This did exactly what we said it would do before it happened. So there you go. Ding, ding, ding. And well, it's done. That's it. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't make it too hard on yourself. Learn to trade. Check out the course. It's $199. We're making money. Multiple accounts up big on the day, about $30,000 on the day here in profit. So, I mean, you can see there in the Apex accounts, locking those in. Those were all ready for payouts as well. $700 on those accounts. We made money in the fast track accounts today, $1,200 across 20 accounts as well, just to be transparent. There's our Motive Wave accounts there at the bottom. 1,200 across the board, 20 accounts. Do the math. It's pretty easy to do. And what's funny is look at my first trade of the day here in these accounts. It's still on the chart it just shows that order. My first order of the day was there at the 244s right before open, before we sold off. So, oh, wrong one. Sorry. Wait, now you can see. There we go. Now we see. Okay, Motive Wave. You can see 244, my first order of the day sitting up there. And this is, I hate this platform, by the way. But this is Motive Wave. I've been using this for fast track trading. I got 20 accounts with them right now. And I got 1,200 across the board there. So copy trading in those accounts, straight to funded. If you want to learn more, use that code PW, links at onlyprofitfirms.com and all that. But in general, we are green. Very much, very much, very much green on the day. Over $30,000. And if you guys want to learn more, like I said, the course, it's $199. The reason that it's $199 is because I'm like, hey, fuck it. I don't want to give it away 100% for free, but I think it's fair enough to charge $200. Do I want to make more money? Yes. Am I here to waste time? No. Why do I have a YouTube channel? To make more money. Why did I put all this time and effort into building up a YouTube channel? To have fun, to make money. If we help some people along the way, I think $200 is a very fair price. So as you can see, multiple $200 accounts getting paid out today, and well, that's what it's all about. We had a lot of people in the chat today making money, and I saw people talking about someone had an $80,000 payout. They got an $80,000 payout coming up because of their funded accounts. So looking forward, or they got $80,000 in 3 months or some crazy crap. So people are making money. The strategy works. It's momentum. I did not invent this. I did not invent the idea of the market going up and down. But I do understand that a lot of people out there are confused on when to enter, when to get out, and all of that fun stuff. So just want to make it clear for everybody, and there it is. I'll talk to you guys later on, or, well, I'll talk to you on Monday for Mega Money Mondays. So there it is. Peace. Love you. See you later. And we'll be back here on Monday for Mega Money Monday.